Hey creators and tech lovers, waving hand emoji. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting laptops of 2025, the MSI Creator 16 Copilot. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price available. Let's explore why this machine is turning heads in the creative industry. Personal computer emoji, display and design, where vision meets precision. The Creator 16 Copilot comes equipped with a stunning 16-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 240 Hz display. The ultra-smooth refresh rate paired with razor-sharp clarity ensures fluid visuals whether you're editing 4K video, animating in Blender, or color grading in DaVinci Resolve. The 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical screen real estate, a huge win for productivity. Its sleek aluminum chassis feels both premium and durable, perfect for professionals who want portability without compromising aesthetics. And that customizable RGB backlit keyboard? It's not just for looks, it's a joy to type on, whether you're coding or writing scripts. Brain emoji, performance, powered by AI, fueled by Ryzen. At the heart of the Creator 16 Copilot is the new AMD Ryzen AI 9365 processor, part of AMD's latest AI-enhanced chipsets. With smart processing and adaptive performance, your workflows become faster and more efficient, especially when leveraging tools like Adobe Firefly, Stable Diffusion, or Copilot for creative ideation. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, you get real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and the horsepower to run demanding apps like Unreal Engine, Maya, or Resolve Studio smoothly. High-voltage sign emoji, memory and storage, built for heavy workloads. With a whopping 32GB DDR5 RAM, multitasking becomes seamless. Say goodbye to freezing tabs or laggy performance. Add a blazing fast 2TB NVMe SSD, and you'll experience lightning-quick boot times, file transfers, and snappy load times for all your heavy projects. Toolbox emoji, AI Studio and Copilot integration, your smartest creative partner. MSI's AI Studio and Copilot integration make this machine feel like it's working with you, not just for you. From intelligent editing suggestions to auto-enhanced renders and adaptive system tuning, the AI tools help automate repetitive tasks and give you creative shortcuts that boost productivity. Electric plug emoji, connectivity and extras, ready for anything. Wi-Fi 7 and Thunderbolt 4 support ensure blazing fast data transfer and internet speeds. Multiple USB ports and HDMI make it easy to connect to external displays and gear. Preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, so you get all the latest security and productivity features. Comes as a bundle, giving you added value right out of the box. Bullseye emoji, verdict, who is it for? If you're a professional creator, AI enthusiast, or power user looking for a 2025 ready machine with unmatched creative potential, the MSI Creator 16 Copilot is an absolute beast. It combines raw power, intelligent features, and visual brilliance, making it one of the best creator laptops on the market right now. White check mark emoji, pros. Cutting-edge AMD Ryzen AI 9365 CPU smooth 240 Hz WQXGA display. RTX 4060 for creative acceleration. Huge RAM and SSD storage. Advanced AI Copilot tools. Cross mark emoji, cons. Price may be high for casual users. Slightly heavier than Ultrabooks, but worth it for the power. Right pointing finger emoji. Final rating, 95/10, a dream machine for creators in 2025. Get it if you're serious about creative work and want a future-proof setup that grows with you.